Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we are looking at a microwave. You know, the microwave door, more especially, is the center of the safety of the microwave. You know, so if there's anything wrong with the door of the microwave won't work. So the safety of the microwave was more prioritized on the door panel. We have switches that allows the power to pass through and to cut power if not necessary. Have you realized that you can never operate your microwave if the door is open? Automatically, when the door opens, the microwave switches off. It's part of safety. Even technicians are advised to repair the microwave when the door is open, so that the power is not flowing all over the microwave, because they are working with the high voltage equipment. So it has, when we check on the side from the inside, actually with these two knobs here, two levers here, these two levers are very important. If one of them is broken or both of them are broken, your microwave won't run. If one or two of these levers is broken, it won't be able to activate. It has about 2 or 3 switches inside here. So automatically, when you close it, automatically it allows the power to go through to other components of the microwave. So if the door is faulty or one of the switches here, it's faulty, you will see it by burning the power fuse. Whenever you see the power fuse burns when you close the microwave, or when the microwave starts running, the fuse bursts, it loses power. You won't see it because it will be covered, so it loses power completely. You unplug it, you plug it again, there's no power. Just know that the fuse power is burned due to either one of the switches is faulty. So the door is very, very, very critical. It's very important. Never mess with the door of a microwave. So take care of the door and it will take care of you. You won't have any problems with your microwave.